Well, Leroy, what you doing? You could go out in the pasture, you know. You don't have to stand around in the barn smelling everybody's poop. Hey, handsome. And there he goes. Big old butt. Okay, off you go. Go on. Get out of the barn. It's going to be nice today. Get out and go play. Oh, well, Leroy, don't go back in your stall, you big goober. Nope. Come on out. Come on out. Come on. Go. Go play. There's your buddy Tyson. Boy, yeah, such a big, ferocious stallion. Oh, no, wait. That's right. Not the stallion.